Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I clean my acrylic brushes. So for this demo I'll be using my Alpha Oval Kolinsky brush in a size 9. I'll be using a nail tip and I'll be using some colored acrylic powder. And I'll be showing you guys what I do while I'm doing the nails and what I do after I have completed the last nail. So once I've placed the acrylic on the nail, you'll notice that the first thing I do is to wipe my brush on the paper towel. What you'll also notice is that while I'm wiping the brush on the paper towel, some of the acrylic is coming off onto the paper towel. So you constantly want to wipe your brush on the paper towel while you're laying the acrylic, because this will help to prevent the acrylic from building up in your brush, which in turn results in a smoother application and also prevents the acrylic from hardening in your brush. So that to me is a very important step, and also probably one of the first steps to cleaning your brushes and keeping them clean. So once I have completed the nail, I wipe my brush a few times on the paper towel to remove any excess acrylic, and then I dip into my monomer and wipe my brush, and I will do this a few times until I feel like my brush is clean. What I will also do is to check my bristles with my fingers to see if there is any remaining acrylic in the brush, and if not, then I just go ahead and reshape my brush and store my brush. If I do have acrylic remaining, then I will use something like maybe a cuticle pusher and just push out the excess acrylic from the brush, and then dip into my monomer and wipe again. So I know a lot of people use acetone or brush cleaners to clean their brushes. I have used acetone in the past, but what I've noticed is that it ruins my brushes much faster and it lessens their lifespan, because what the acetone does is to dry out the bristles. Now, I've never used a brush cleaner, but I have also seen where people have said that brush cleaners have ruined their brushes, and to be honest, I don't think it's absolutely necessary to use a brush cleaner. So the only time I will use acetone to clean my brushes is if I have hardened acrylic in the bristles. Otherwise, I don't use acetone, and I don't recommend that you use acetone unless the acrylic has hardened in your brushes. Otherwise, the acetone will dry your bristles and ruin your brushes much faster. So again guys, the cleaning starts with constantly wiping your brush as you're laying the acrylic, and as soon as you finish your last nail, you go ahead and wipe your brush, dip into the monomer a few times and wipe to remove any remaining acrylic. Alright guys, so this is how I clean my brushes. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a like, please share, and please subscribe to my channel for more.